my kings and queens, I am back. Hey, with another video. Finally, I know after 2 years, I have been MIA. COVID has got the best of me, but I'm here. I'm back. I'm going to be doing videos consistently now. So as you see, this video, I'm just going to be coloring my hair. The color that I have right now is like not really a fan. Just because it is too light, so I wanted to like tone it down since the winter is coming too. Alright, so I am going to be using Adore instead of Arctic Fox because I hear that if you use Adore, your hair will turn green, and I ain't trying to do that. So I'm using Indigo Blue and Royal Navy. So hopefully I've heard a lot of good reviews about this, so let's see if it's gonna work. Alright. Alright, so I used a full bottle of the Indigo Blue because I love that color. It looks beautiful. And I'm just using like a swirl of the Royal Navy because it is a darker pigmentation, and I'm not trying to do that for the wintertime. I still need color in my life. I still need pizzazzle, whatever you want to call it, you know? Alright, on top of the colors that I just mixed, I just used Aussie, the conditioner, just to make sure my hair ain't scary looking afterwards, so it gives my hair some moisture at least. Okay, next, Kiki, my sister, is going to help me out on explaining what I'm going to do. So hope you're entertained.
So we got a string, string. You know, you gotta make sure the color goes through, because if you have low porosity, it will not absorb. So as we tie it up, we're gonna clip it, clip, yeah, secure it. So the next thing, you know, we're gonna do the exact same thing. We're gonna repeat stretch, like elongate your curls. You wanna get everything, you know, get that texture out. Make sure you part your hair. Oops, clean scalp. Yes. We're gonna put it to the side. Yes, we're gonna keep stroking. Yes, let's get this color so you see how it applies. Nice, that's nice. Yep, you wanna do it in a gradual motion. You know, roots to ends, guys. Let's not forget our tips because we don't want ombre. So yeah, we're gonna let this saturate. Girl. Okay, so we're gonna pray to Jesus, Saint Mary, and Jesus and Joseph said the color will be purple, blue. Beautiful though, because you know when it's wet, you know you want to make sure you drop it low and down, and I have no idea what's going on, but you know the color is popping. You know we're here and we are queer.
Now I'll be adding a protein treatment to my hair just to make sure I can get all that moisture back into it. I know, don't look at it. I microwaved it knowing I shouldn't have, slow moment. Happens to the best of us. It's the way of my life. Well, as you see me massaging that bad boy into my hair, I am still like trimming off bits and pieces that are just still straight and I'm not a fan of. I don't care if it's uneven or anything. I just need to make sure my hair is healthy. So it is what it is at the end of the day. I know people be like, what's she doing? But it's cool. Understood. You don't have to do what I'm doing. I'm just showing you what I do when I color my hair. And oh yeah, as you can see, I missed a piece. If you ain't see it, you will see it in the rest of the video. But I missed a piece, so you will see a light part. Didn't want to recolor, so I was like, "Ooh, it's a little unique style." But I'm gonna change it when I color it again. Okay, since I color my hair, I am doing the LCO method. I'm using conditioner, um, and then I'm using the jojoba oil. Slow moment again, that, and then the curl enhancing smoothie. Those are my products. They are the fave and water. Duh. All right, that's it. I'm gonna just keep this in, sleep overnight, and then I'm gonna take it out. Peace, love, and blessings. Still trying to figure out the end. I know. All right, so this is how it was when I straightened it, and this is how it is when it's still like in the natural phase, still wet and everything. It's a little darker when it's wet, but it was way lighter when it was straightened. All right, I hope you like, comment, and definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel, especially my wonderful newcomers. I hope you like my video and stay amazing, everyone. Peace, love, and blessings.